Before we move the car, make sure you cover the wheel connectors. I'm using a piece of shrink film, the same one you used to, just to cover the polarities. You can cover just one, or I'm covering both. We cut a piece of carbon fiber sheet and put it on the side just to cover the side of the car, because we're using Saga Custom RC battery tray and it's quite narrow. When you put the Delta plastic body, there's a bit of gap here, so we cut a piece of material and put it on the side. Let me just show you. So as you can see, if I put the pins on the side, it's already covering the entire width of it. Before, we don't have this, there's a bit of gap here. It might or it might not work, but I mean it helped, but I don't know. It's worth to give it a try. Also, we added a piece of plastic here. This prototype, I saw this from Mr. Kenny Milanco. It might or it might help, I don't know. It's worth trying. So that's the fun of this hobby, you know. We just test it. So here are the changes for the Typhon. The main changes we did here is mainly on the battery, on the body mount. That's it. So as you can see, we put a bit of extension to the body mount here, so that the body will, you know, become more higher a bit. Why? Because the Typhon has a very limited space in terms of batteries height, and if you put a huge 2 pieces 3S there, it will already hit the body by default. Let me show you. We extended a bit the body to end up like this. Yeah, like this. So the body is quite elevated, but it's okay. I think it does work as well with the aerodynamics, because the shape will a bit, you know, like this, elevated, like an incline. So also I put some holes on the body just to make sure that the fan will breathe. It was before, actually, when the body is still low. So the fan is, the body is really so close like this, the fan, and that's why we put some hole. But now that we elevated the body, I think it's enough. There's enough space for the fan to breathe. We're running the same setup still, Castle MX 8S, Hobbywing 2200 kV. Same with the Slash. We're trying to push this consumer level motor into some good digits. We test it with the cheap motor, even China one can work. Hitting 100 and 120 is easy for such motor. So, but if you wanted to push it more to 160 and 170, then you need to better motor basically. But that will take time. So for me, I'm testing this one and this one, because it's my first time to run an open wheel, and the drag is very different compared to the GT one. But nothing fancy on the cars. Thanks guys for watching.